Mount Longonot National Park, a challenging hike up an extinct volcano, the 8 best day trips from Nairobi. Those looking for physical challenge will find it at Mount Longonot National Park, whose namesake feature is an extinct volcano rising dramatically from the floor of the Great Rift Valley. The volcano's conical slopes are still striated with canyons formed by ancient lava flows, although its crater is now filled with dense forest instead of molten lava. The hike to the crater rim is steep and strenuous, but well worth it for the spectacular views of the Rift Valley and nearby Lake Naivasha. Wildlife to look out for includes buffaloes, lions, zebras, and giraffes, with the hike taking around 5 hours round trip. Getting there, Mount Longonot National Park is located just to the east of Hell's Gate National Park and is also accessed via a turnoff from the South Lake Road after Naivasha Town. Travel tip: if you plan to make the climb to the crater rim, be sure to bring plenty of water and food with you as there is no place to buy it once you're inside the park.